Okay guys, I'm back here in Manila, and one thing I miss about Batanes, no traffic. Well, we're in the heart of Makati right now in Glorieta. I'm here to check out this Singaporean import, and guess what? It's a one-star Michelin place. It's called Hawker Chan. So let's check it out. See ya. Okay guys, so welcome to the show again. It's me again, Poppy, and I'm here right now in Glorieta for Hawker Chan. And I actually ordered quite a lot, but don't worry, I won't be finishing it all. I'll just basically taste a bit of it, a bit of each, and I'll be bringing most of it home to my mom. Spoiled sa akin si mommy. I'll tell you first about Hawker Chan. Hawker Chan is basically a Singaporean restaurant. It used to be a hawker place, and it's so good. Their signature dish is basically their soy sauce chicken. It was so good that it earned a one Michelin star. Michelin star is basically a French grading system for food. One star is good. Two stars are great, and three stars are for the gods. Okay, and that's basically it. This is one of the cheapest one-star Michelin restaurants in the world. For under $2, you can get a soy sauce chicken meal, which earned him that one star. So let's check out the food now. See ya. Okay, guys. So here's what I got. I'll start off with this is a Philippines only dumpling that they have. You can only find this in the Hawker Chan here in Manila. Their signature dumplings. And then I also ordered a wonton noodle soup. That. Their beef brisket noodle. Braised beef brisket. Wow. And then their signature dish, which is their soy sauce chicken with rice. This is what put them on the map. And then their combination special, which includes lechon macao or roast pork, chashu, and their soy sauce chicken. Look at that. So basically, I'll be tasting each one and then I'll be bringing most of it home. Tara, kain tayo. Okay guys, so I'm sorry I have to switch to this camera and back to this microphone because my SLR died and I don't know if my footage got corrupted or something. So we'll have to start over again. So we'll start with the wonton noodle soup. Look at the broth, guys. Look at that. Nice clear broth though. Okay, it's a chicken-based broth. It has a slight gingery flavor to it. It's nice. Now let's try their noodles. Look at their noodles. Noodles. Sorry. Okay. First of all, I had to switch the camera this way. They're much better. The noodles are really still firm. It's quite chewy. It has this certain somewhat al dente flavor, an al dente texture to it. It's really nice. Now let's try their wonton. Look at that. Nice pork wonton. Meat is a bit. The meat filling is a bit on the lean side. When I mean on the lean side, not too much filling though. but still delicious. Here's the second dish, which is their braised beef. As you can see, I already attacked it a while ago because this is second take. My camera died on me. We'll try the. This is basically braised beef, braised fatty beef with braised noodles, and the noodles are tossed with sambal. Okay, we'll try this one out. Mm. Nice fatty beef. Really nice fatty beef. We'll try the noodles. The noodles are nice and firm. It has a sweet taste to it because of that braising liquid, but it has a spice because of the sambal. But still delicious. Let's move on to this dish. This dish is only exclusively found here in the Philippine branch of Mr. Hoko-chan. Or Hawker-chan. Okay? For that. It's deep fried dumplings. Mm. It's a mushroom and pork dumpling. It has very crispy outside and very, very juicy inside too. Look at that. We'll try it a bit with the sauce. Mmm. It's a very unique sauce. It's slightly sweet, slightly tangy. It has a certain almost gingery taste to it. That's awesome. I'll go back for this later. Okay, so let's move on to the next dish. So this is their signature dish, the chicken, the soy sauce chicken. It comes with rice, and they have peanuts on the side. We'll try the peanuts first. Okay, it's braised peanuts. That's good. That's really good. The chicken is cooked all the way through. You can see. The Oh, look at that. It's so buttery, guys. We'll try a bit of that skin later. First, we'll check out the rice. They poured some of the sauce on the rice. I know I'm not supposed to eat rice today, but we'll just give this one a taste. Look at that. Mmm. That braising liquid with the rice is nice. Now let's try the chicken. Mmm. The chicken is not overly cooked. It's still quite juicy, but it has this certain soy sauce glaze that they basically get the whole chicken, dip it in soy sauce, cook it there, and just it's like basically soy sauce Hainanese rice. No, soy sauce chicken rice. Yeah. So we'll try this with a bit of everything. The peanuts, the chicken, and the rice. Look at that. Mm. The slight crunch and creaminess from that peanut, plus that flaky rice, juicy chicken. Good match. Perfect match, guys. We'll try a bit of the rice with just the skin. You know me, I love my chicken skin. Look at that. Mm. Now I know why this is considered a Michelin star restaurant. The chicken is really worth it. Okay, so I saved one more dish for last, and this is it. Their special combination platter. It includes more of that chicken, the chassis, and their lechon macao or roast pork. So let's start with. We'll just eat the chicken as is. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Combination special, por favor. Mm. Very succulent chicken. The soy sauce flavor is not overpowering the chicken too much, but it's still juicy and very tender. And they gave me chicken thighs, so it's really good. They choose their chicken well. Next, we'll try their chassis. Look at that chassis. Glistening, guys. It's still glistening. Mm. It has a certain sweetness to it, and that smoky outside. See, chassis is basically pork, Chinese style pork barbecue. If you can see, there's also the ring, the pink ring around it. That's good stuff. Oh, this is the best part. The one that I like, the crispy bits, the burnt bits. Oh, that has so much flavor. Oh, yeah. I think I need to have a peanut with that. Mm-hmm. And last, we'll try their roast pork. It's like their lechon kawale. Super crispy. Supposed to be crispy skin, but we'll give it a try first. Oh my god. The skin is so crunchy, it's like glass. Oh. This one looks better. See that? That is crackling of the gods. Yeah, that is the crackling of the gods. Right there. See? The fat layer, the meaty layer, then you have crispy layer. Perfect bite, guys. Mm. Yeah. So I'll eat whatever I can, and then I'll give you the review of the restaurant later. See ya. Okay, guys. So here's my review of Hawker Chan. Sorry, I'm still burping. Here's my review of Hawker Chan. We'll base it on the 5 criteria, which is location, ambiance, service, food, and price. So we'll start with location. Location-wise, there's 3 branches of this. One in SM MOA or Mall of Asia, and one here in Glorieta 3. The nearest one to me is Glorieta 3. You can get here via LRT, MRT, or you can get here via Grab or taxi and jeepney. Okay, it's actually near. It's inside the. Actually, basically, it's in the mall. It's very accessible to everyone. Now, let's talk about. I give the location 5 out of 5. It's very accessible. Now, let's talk about ambiance. Ambiance wise, the seating arrangement is awesome. You're guaranteed to have a seat when you order. If you just have to wait, be patient, and they will give you a seat. Booth type seats and plain stools and normal seats are great because they can fit me. No chairs here have armrests, which is perfect. Okay, so I give that a 5 out of 5. No questions asked. Now let's talk about service. Kuya here actually helped me a lot. He, I was supposed to pick up the food, but he brought it to my table. Oh, the guy's awesome. I'm actually gonna leave him a tip here later. Service wise, I have to give it a 4 out of 5. They were really prompt. They were really fast with giving me a table. But the downside here is, uh, I asked them about some of the dishes and they couldn't explain it really well. So, except for Kuya, he actually told me that this is radish, which is actually very knowledgeable of him. So, kudos, Kuya. So I give that a 4 out of 5. Now the food, the food, food wise, I have to say for a Michelin star restaurant, it's really good. You are expecting good food, you're getting great food. Some of the dishes are awesome, like the noodle, the braised noodle was awesome. The fried dumplings were awesome. The Michelin star chicken is awesome, but the only downside here had to be that wonton. It's a bit it's not as plump as the dumpling. I don't know why. It could have been better if it was that plump, that filled up with meat. But for now, I have to give them a 4. Sorry guys, but 4 out of 5 is also good. So next, we'll talk about the price. Now, I spent under 900 pesos for all those dishes. Price wise, it's doable. Like you can get the whole dish for 129 pesos if you ordered it. Just the chicken with rice. And you'll be actually really, really full with that. Just one dish. But if you're gonna base it for everything I ordered, which is under 900 pesos, I have to give them a 4. Not too expensive, not too cheap. It's just right. You can actually eat here for lunch every day if you want to. Okay, it's that affordable. So, I give them a 4 out of 5. So, thank you for watching the vlog. I now have to go to a Canon store and have this camera fixed. And hopefully, it's not that bad. Okay? So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at PaulAlwaysGutom, Never Busog. On Twitter at PaulAlwaysGutom. And on Facebook at AlwaysGutom, Never Busog. So, till next vlog, tara, kain tayo. See you in the dining room.